season. Slap your mama. I like seasoning my meat really good because I like the season. I like the taste of it. I love it. Season it real good. Okay. Now I take my Old Bay season. Put that some on top. And you're gonna season on both sides. Okay. Now take the other side, flip it. Okay. Take your slap your mama season. Season that real good, y'all. Hope y'all can see that. I'm recording with my phone. Need another phone. Obey. Okay. Now, what I'm gonna do, I got a small little, just a little pan, because like I said, I'm cooking for me and my son. So, take my meat. In the pan. And this is what it look like. Okay, this is what it look like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. This is how it look. Now I'm gonna take my season and season the corn. Season that good corn. Okay. Season that real good. Okay. Like seasoning. Okay, now I'm gonna take my lemons. Squeeze all that lemon. All that lemon, all on a. Okay. I'm gonna squeeze all that lemon on everything. Okay. That's what it look like. Okay, guys, this is it. This is the final. I had this on 450. I let this cook between 30 to 40 minutes in the oven. Oh, man, it looks so good. Look at it. It looks so good. Look at it. You know, when you get off of work, you tired. This is it. One pan. It's healthy. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up and thank you. God bless.